to change your mind. Won't play those games like guys who came and robbed you blind. Sometimes you gotta act on what you feel, baby. Take your time, I know you need that shit to heal.
I was living on back with another video, man. I said I'm back with another video. Man, I'm up beside Pancake how I just got up. Y'all can tell I just got up, bro. Ears are looking the worst right now. But shoot up. Y'all know I'm finna get back fresh. I'm finna get fresh, you know that. But shoot, this is what I got. I got some bacon, I got some eggs, and I got 2 pancakes. They pancakes so big. Well, I should have got an army for real. That's what I came here to get. But shoot, man, I've been chilling, bro. I posted you something yesterday. I ain't do nothing yesterday. I was in my girlfriend's house, so I ain't do nothing yesterday for real. But shoot, man, I'm finna come back with them bangers, y'all. Give me a minute. But I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get back to my next one. So, man, I'm back with another video, man. I'm back out here, bro. Shoot, I'm waiting on my food, bro. It look good downtown, for real. I need to come down and get me a room one day, but I don't want to be downtown, though. But shoot, bro, we lit down here. It ain't nothing to do, bro. They need to hurry up with my motherfucking food, for real. That's what they need to do. Nigga ready to eat. I don't give a fuck, but shit, bro. I'm gonna keep up with y'all when I do whatever. I just had to tell y'all that. What's up, bro? I'm back, bro. And I got my food, bro. I'm finna tear this shit up, man. Look at this. I got 3 pancakes. I got some motherfucking, I don't know what this is. 2 serves. I got some good ass, man. Look how it look, bro. Don't tell me this shit don't look good, but don't play. And I got some good ass grits. But shit, I'm finna smash this shit, bro. I'm gonna get back with y'all whenever, what else I get. Fuck. I'm back with another video.
Oh, they sent, I just got the letter today. When you turn 19, they gonna cut you off Medicaid. You gotta get your own insurance. You gotta get your job because you have insurance. That's why I told Mike, they sure did because they cut Mike out when he was 19.
Hey, what is that?
What?
I don't know what that is, but shoot, where we finna go?
We just ride. Get it on my.
My service up to my YouTube. Service up to my YouTube.
Hey, oh, he got $22.
Man, my grandma. It's hot out here, bro, and I got on the long sleeve. I got on the long sleeve.
I heard our baby, he think he's slick. Now remind him. I just got to remind you.
But shoot, I'm get back with y'all, man, with some, yeah.
Okay. I need y'all to take care of that when we get back.
Alright.
Yeah, Mike too.
I had told Pooh, I was like, my mom and them in West took West mama house.
Like,
yep. He was walking from back there mad. Then I was like, nah, they got it. It's in her car. She had stole it for a minute.
I ain't stolen it. I don't have to steal, baby. It's what they out here. Yes, it is. I told the girl, it's too bad we couldn't go see the fair today.
The fair.
Y'all got money?
Who got money?
How we gonna get there? I ain't gonna make it to no fair.
Who got some money? Huh?
I ain't think about that. Check that. No, I didn't check. I rolled right. I don't want to go there over there. I said I shouldn't pay Steve.
And we in the hood. I know this block here. Man, bro, no. Hey, I remember we used to do all them puppies.
West ain't going nowhere. I don't care what you tell. West ain't going nowhere.
Hey.
I mean, isn't that just run his damn mouth? Oh, we ain't know.
Look, Ma.
Down here, she been around there with Robert. She's been around there with Robert.
My neighbors, them folks used to stay right there with all them dogs.
I don't know.
Who used to have them dogs right there?
Now, this right here ridiculous right here. Why ain't no one come way down here and block the fucking driveway?
They blocking the driveway and jump, bro.
Y'all got that room across the street. Why y'all just gonna park across the street like y'all used to?
They trick.
Like I said, when we move back here, baby, there ain't gonna be something there. They're just gonna be fucking mad.
Do you move,
Come in,
Yeah. Finna go see what's going on. But it probably a little scary up in here.
No, it's daylight here.
That don't mean nothing.
And see.
Ooh, look at that.
Oh, that's what rain me.
Dude.
Yeah, I gotta get that guy here.
Right here.
That got to be jacked up right there.
Oh, my.
Cole did go by himself. He did a good job on this side.
Well, he need to come back and do a good more job.
I already told him he gonna come back and email out. He and Miss Carolina.
Yeah.
I gotta come back and.
He ain't did a good enough.
What is that?
He ain't do a good enough job.
She rock.
He got to do it.
And then I'm gonna come in and do this room. We got to do it. It's right in here, say. I came in here. It was like right here in front of the fireplace. That was the close here more.
Oh, that's stupid. You gotta clean all that out. Y'all gonna see how it's gonna look in a minute. It ain't gonna look like that for too long. Too long.
And she was saying that she said she probably had some more shoes down here that grandma gonna wear. But I told her, I said, I don't know. I said, that's all we said. I said, what I got, that's what I got. I said, the rest of it went fit for nothing. What you got? Nappy?
Oh, bet we have roll on. I feel it. So you man, I'm bad. I'm trying to get some storage, bro. Trying to get some storage. Look at this iPhone here. That boy so clean. Y'all think I should crop this? This is iPhone 13. They gonna take $50 off of it. It's $800. Should I get that junk? This iPhone SE. This phone probably $5. It's on 400. Oh, this thing phone I got 400. Man, I gotta get me another phone because I need some storage. I ain't got no storage. I just all I do is I gotta get some more storage. That's what I'm finna do. Give me some storage.
The phone is broke. I'm trying to see the insurance on the Victoria now. I'm quite sure I did get insurance this time, but I had insurance last time.
But shoot, man, I'm gonna get back with y'all, man. See if I get some storage. I'm gonna let y'all know if I get some storage or not. And right, then let me know if I should call this phone over here. I'm finna get my job back. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna let y'all know. Man, I ain't get no storage. I couldn't get no storage. My junk, I ain't gonna even be able to do that many videos. After I do a video, I had to delete. Oh yeah, I was just walking out here. A white lady tried to hit me. Like she was going, she saw me. She looked me dead in my face and kept going. Trying to hit me, bro. Wrong with you? Trying to hit me. So no storage I get. I ain't get no storage. I'm gonna have to delete after I record the video. I'm gonna have to delete all my videos still. That's true. A computer on the way. I'm gonna have a computer on the way.
Now they took insurance off the phone. Cause when I came up and don't you remember when you with me little dad when I came up here?
YouTube, I'm back. You know something different. I'm back though. Yeah, my little cousin with me. Come here, boy. Say what's up to my YouTube. This boy ready, y'all. Hey, bro. Ready to drip, man. What is drip? See what he got on, bro. Hey, he got it on, though. I messed with that shirt you got on, no cap. But, hey, look, come here. Shoes, see, next week. So, next week, this is what we're going to do next week. All right, so, we're going to go whoever we need. I'm going to get more than 2 people. It's going to be you, Courtney. I'm going to get some more people, too. I'm going to make the post now. My Reds probably not be here. Or I can call them and see can they do. But shoot, this is what we finna do. Hold up. Shoot, so alright, I'm gonna go get 2 buckets out. I'm gonna get like 6 buckets out of Walmart. I'm gonna get some ice. I'm pull like every time, like
Like every 5 minutes, I'm gonna pour another bag of ice in y'all bucket though, and then we gonna do some challenges too. Oh my, all right. So you with that? All right, I'm gonna tell Courtney to come here. That's what we gonna do. Tell him come here. Man, I'm finna get my YouTube channel lit for y'all. I'm finna start doing all type of challenges. I'm finna go crazy. Oh, wow. Oh, trying to get me. Damn. Come here, boy. Huh? Your feet hurt? Your feet hurt? Why your feet hurt? Look. Hey, so look. This what I'm finna do. Next week, you wanna come over next weekend and do this challenge with us?
What challenge?
Alright, so shoot, I gotta buy some buckets. I'm gonna go to Walmart, buy some buckets. We're gonna get some ice. And then like it's gonna be a challenge. Y'all gotta sit in the bucket. The last one to be in the bucket, the last one that get out, mama take them on the shopping spree or something. I'm gonna do something for you. Oh mom. Real talk, I'm dead for real. You with it? Look. Come here, man. You gotta say what's up on YouTube, bro. Ugly. Say what's up on my YouTube. That nigga ugly, bro. That nigga got them. He dripped out a little bit, y'all. But shoot on mom, we finna get that video out. You feel me? We finna get lit, bro. I'm telling y'all, y'all already know how I get. When I get lit, you know this. I'm telling you. But shoot, I'm outside. It look good, baby. But I ain't got nothing to do. I'm not here bored. But shoot, man, I'm gonna get back with y'all. Shoot, I had to just get them and see what I'm on. I'm gonna get them down with it. I gotta make that post. I'm finna see who else wanna be in my video. I gotta get some more people shooting. And then I'm gonna drop that bit. I ain't gonna say you gonna probably be like, this gonna be this weekend on mine, but shoot, I got a video finna drop for y'all, a little vlog on mine. I was finna do the prank, but my uncle messed the prank up, bro. I had the paper on back of my grandma's car. I came out here and duct taped it and everything, bro. This man came outside and took the paper off to my son. I got you. What you saying you got me for, bro? You ain't got nothing to do with you. You ain't even supposed to touch it, but that nigga took it off. So that prank over with. So damn, he fucked that up. Lame, man. But shoot, bro. That nigga just made me mad. His fat belly, big stomach, little leg, short ass. Fucked up my motherfucker. Prank my grandma gonna be mad, bro. But shoot, man. I'ma get back with y'all.
The FedEx man came up here yesterday.
We out here
Thought he was
working on some
work.
work.
He said, oh, he ain't gonna do
So I got on a run tag. Huh?
The FedEx man put the box right there in that chair. And he got nothing to come up on the porch.
I have to go smoke that junk up. I go bring it back deadlift. Bro, you ugly.
Like he done buried some food out there.
Hey, y'all say what's up to my YouTube. Say what's up to my YouTube. Bro, y'all lame, bro. Say what's up to my YouTube. Say route, way, flip.
What they gonna do? What they gonna do?
There you go. Wait. Come here. Come here. Them white folks on that Dago. Man, that nigga dog. That nigga ugly. Boy, you ugly too.
Why you ugly, boy?
But look at you.
Look.
Man, look.
Yo, your hands up when you keep out there, so you want to be able to go. But get back with y'all. Man, this the end of that video, but this the next day. I'm in here trying to get my job back. Like, they taking that long, bro. I'm really finna get out of here. I look rough. I know I look rough, but I just got up. But that's the end of this video, man. Y'all might see this video later. I'm finna drop this. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. We lit. I'm telling you, I got a video finna drop, bro. A video of my little cousin and other people. Whoever win, I'm gonna take them on the shopping screen. But y'all gonna hear more about that video in the next video. Tell me the route way.
Time to change your mind. Won't play those games like guys who came and robbed you blind. Sometimes you gotta act on what you feel, baby. Take your time, I know you need that shit to heal, baby.